How to redeem codes in Idle Heroes game. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you want to redeem codes or special promo codes on Idle Heroes, then first of all launch open the Idle Heroes game on your device and wait for it to fully load into the main screen. After you're inside the main screen, go ahead and click on the redemption code button at the bottom left. After you do that, click on exchange and you'll be taken to this page where you need to enter your redemption code in the text box on the right. Carefully type in or paste in your redemption code into the box. Once done, click exchange and you'll be able to redeem your code right away. If the code is valid, your rewards will be instantly added to your account. And there you have it. That is how you can easily redeem your code in Idle Heroes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.